for this one, if you have trouble with your knees, be very careful. We take one leg out toward the side, facing the side wall, the other leg facing in the same direction, but you're sitting with one cheek on the chair and you're holding on for support. If you can, begin to bend this front knee and see if it can come down a little bit, maybe even a little bit more, so that it's coming straight down toward the floor. If not, find what works for you. Maybe you stay here. If not, just work with it, sliding the foot back little by little, holding on to the chair for support, and if you can, bringing your knee down toward the floor. And once you feel strong and stable here, I invite you to raise this arm up to the sky. Inhale, and as you exhale, lean up and over toward the back of your chair. So you see what I'm doing? I'm stretching out the entire side body. Inhale and come up. Once more, exhale and lean over the side body. Feel that long stretch all the way down through the hip. Inhale and come up. One more. Taking your arm out in front of you. Inhale, and as you exhale, leaning forward. Now from here, you have an option to take that back leg back a little bit more, maybe even to straighten it out. And when you do this, you're creating that long straight line with your body, and it's a very deep stretch in the hip. And coming back up to center, very carefully now walking to the other side. And we'll try the same thing. So you have one leg, one cheek is on your chair. You're holding on for support. And begin to explore where your front knee can go. Can it come down a little bit? Maybe a little bit more. Moving the foot back. See if you can bring it down so that it's pointing toward the floor. Finding your stability on the chair, I invite you to raise your arm to the sky. Inhale. And as you exhale, leaning over toward the back of the chair. And coming up. One more time, leaning over toward the back of the chair. And back up. Taking your arm out in front of you. Inhale. And as you exhale, leaning over like you're reaching for something in the distance. And if this feels comfortable, you can explore the back leg, maybe taking it out a little bit more, maybe taking it all the way out to straight, feeling that deep extension in your hip. One more breath. Coming up and to center. And just to work it out, some windshield wipers so your legs are wide apart. One knee bends in and then the other. And one knee in and then the other, and just do that a few times from side to side. And coming into stillness. And that's it. Take 5 yoga, 5 minutes of mat-free yoga for beginners and gentle yogis. If you'd like to learn more about my midlife yoga program, please visit my website, www.youarerightontime.com. I'll see you for our next episode of Take 5 Yoga. And until then, I wish you namaste and peace.